Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to plant this potato in this plastic bag. I'm going to make holes at the bottom and I'm going to cover this with black plastic so that the roots won't be exposed to the sunlight. So I made holes at the bottom of the bag and put an inch of mulch. This is a garden soil which I have sieved. I added vermiculite and peat moss. From the potato up to the tip here, it's about 12 inches. And the soil is about 3 inches. I'll just add more soil when I see about 8 inches of growth. This is triple 10 fertilizer. These potatoes were planted at the end of February. I bought these bare root roses 2 weeks ago. Dick Clark, I think this one. Ew, so sharp. The thorns. It has a bloom. They've been soaking for 12 hours. So what I'm going to transplant today is this one, the Dick Clark. The other two, they're not looking healthy. Maybe another 12 hours or 24 hours of soaking, especially this one. Poor thing. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I use mulch for good drainage, especially that my soil is clay. Let's use fertilizer. I made a mound so the crown can sit on it. But feeling the native soil. I'm going to water this every day if there's no rain for a week, I think so. The one that I just planted was the Dick Clark, and that rose was planted in a pot last year, then move it here. I don't think it's doing good because it was not getting enough sunlight, but it will this summer, and I'm going to move it somewhere else early next year. I soaked the seeds last night. These are Alaska peas. They say that with regards to Alaska peas, you can harvest them as young as this and cook, or as seeds, and you can even snack on this variety. This is the biggest one so far. The same variety of peas. These were the survivors because the other seedlings died. Maybe because it was too early to transplant them. or they were too big already. So I have to plant more seeds. I removed some leaves of borage because they're not getting the appropriate sunlight. I think I need to remove this volunteer cosmos first before I plant those seeds. I think the birds took my seedlings to build their nests. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like and share my videos. Enjoy the rest of your day.